Hello, guys. Welcome to History Hub. Guys, whenever there is war going on between two nation states or two people, a lot of the resources matter in deciding who will win the war. For example, the logistics, the food production, the defense production, and any other firearms production, they all matter. So in this video, we'll be talking about the resources which the Union forces and the Confederate forces had during the Civil War in the United States, which lasted from 1861 to 1865. So talking about the population, even population matters, because out of that population, you have to recruit the resources, recruit the soldiers. So these blue pie charts, they represent the Union resources, and these gray area, this represent Confederate resources. So as you can see that the population of the Union was 2.5 times that of Confederate states. So on that account too, the union was relatively on a better footing, because if the population is more, then you can recruit more soldiers. More soldiers means edge on the battlefield. Similarly, talking about miles of railroad track, that is also a very important factor in winning and losing a war, because the more railroad tracks you have, the more better logistics you have. You can transport the soldiers, you can transport the goods for the soldiers, eatables and defense production. So the more railway tracks, the Union had 2.4 times more railway track than the Confederacy. Similarly, wheat production, of course, wheat is a staple diet and soldiers need it. So 4.2 times more wheat production in the Union territory. Similarly, merchant ship tonnage, once again, you need to import food, so it was 9 times 1. And naval ship tonnage, of course, Navy is very important whenever you're propagating a war. So it was 25 times that of Confederate states. Iron production, of course, iron is used in many firearms, tanks, etc. So it was 15 to 1. Whereas firearm production, it was 32 times more than Confederate resources. And of course, only one thing in which the Confederate states were strong, and that was cotton production. It was 1 to 24. But of course, that does not make a lot of difference when it comes to propagating war. So these, you can see that the basically Confederate forces, they were weaker on every front, in the battlefield, in the production of food, in the production of defense equipment. So naturally, it led to the conclusion that the Confederacy lost the war. In 1865, the Union forces won the war. For more videos, do subscribe. Thanks for watching.